I'm going to open up with Chrome to phone, my app review for this week. This is going to let you send data directly from your Chrome browser to your phone, just as the name implies. It's kind of a pretty cool thing. You can take regular web pages and send it to your phone just by pressing one button. And it'll automatically detect if you're on a Google Maps site and open up your Google Maps app. And if you have like on a web page, if you're on a web page and you select some text and you hit this Chrome to phone button, then it will copy it to the clipboard on your phone. And if it's a phone number that you've selected, it will automatically open up your dialer app and just like it sits right there and lets you, it waits for you to press the button to make the phone call.
The one thing that I wish it would do, and we tried, is if you would highlight a phone number in Chrome and then send it, if it would know it was a phone number and call it. That would be cool.
Well, the one phone number that we tried had dots in it though, so I don't know if that causes a problem instead of dashes. I mean, you're just so cool, Dave. Like your phone.
I know.
number
I was being awesome, and I was like, I'm gonna put dots in my phone number and be cool.
Which I'm a fan of it, you know, but I don't know. It just it kept erroring out on us.
Yeah, I think it broke it.
So I don't know what that.
I think I crashed Google.
Why not?
Mm-hmm.
But should we give them some a little bit of a preview of the app too?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go to the gadget cam here.
Yes, that's the name for it. So we have something like the Android app show up on this lovely netbook. The way it's supposed to work is you have your phone sitting here. The Chrome to phone, once you have it installed, and again we have a link with instructions up on the website. We'll put a little tiny icon over here on the side. There it is. So it's a little phone with a happy yellow arrow. You hit that, and if everything works out correctly, it will send it right to your phone. Sometimes, though, I don't know if it's just server load or something, but we've been getting errors saying error, it won't work, problem sending to the phone. But for some reason, some websites work right away. So it's kind of crummy. We kind of knew we were going to run into this problem as soon as we tried to do it online, you know what I mean, in front of a live audience.
It's true.
That it would go horribly wrong.
It looks like you're on your computer, like you're on the screen there almost. That's funny. I'm playing.
Oh, there it goes. So Google News worked. It says it sent it to my phone.
Okay.
So it just takes a minute, and then all of a sudden you'll notice I didn't touch anything on my phone.
No
the browser
touching.
just automatically opened up, and it's loading up the Google News website. So.
Ooh.
And it switches. Google knows that you're on a mobile, so it switches right over to the
so smart
to the regular stuff. But if we go back to Google and go to something like Maps, let's see. Let's see how this works. We'll just do.
Is there a Fuddruckers nearby? Sorry.
Just the name Fuddruckers entertains me. Sorry.
Especially if you've seen the movie Idiocracy.
But I'm just doing a generic search for pizza, which is one of Google's favorite examples for Google Maps. And you hit the share button, and it'll error out for you. So
pizza.
Always good times
Hey,
with the erroring out.
Thank you, Google.
So we hit one of these. There it is. Error sending to phone. Error unable to send link. And you can hit it to your heart's content. It just keeps doing it. This is really disappointing because I gotta be honest with you, I didn't run into any of these problems like the whole time I was testing this at home. Oh, there it goes. I brought up another one here.
It was location specific.
I guess, I don't know. I think it might be problems with the server, like whatever the back end is on this.
Google Talk?
Yeah. Well, no, I mean, I think that the App Engine comes into play on this. So this account that they're using to send the stuff up to the internet and then down to, Google's push server or whatever. But as you can see, this brought up a nice little results thing with all the pizza results. So
is Jackson
it's kind of
Pizza
cool.
Factory on there?
It probably is. It's probably that one that's floating out here.
That's the best ever.
Yeah.
Look at that. Go to there, people. If you are in Jackson,
boom.
visit the world famous Jackson Pizza Factory.
Yeah, right next to the world famous Schlankers.
Yeah.
For hamburgers.
Yeah.
Lunch dinner combo right there.
Yeah.
Corner of North and Waterloo.
And then you can go across the other one and go to Gilbert's.
Is
Chocolate.
it Gilbert's?
I think so.
Well, no, that's a different intersection. That's Waterloo and I don't know. Maybe that's Waterloo and Ganson. Or no, that's Waterloo and North. That's
Okay.
Waterloo and Ganson, and the other one is Waterloo and North, where Jackson Pizza Factory is.
Oh yeah. Well,
nobody cares about this except us.
Welcome to this. Welcome to This Week in Jackson Geography.
There you go.
We know you needed to know that.
But this is
We
pretty
could
cool
have
stuff.
looked it up on a map, actually.
Yeah.
And that would have been appropriate.
But yeah, this is very cool stuff. I kind of feel bad that it's airing out because, again, I didn't have any problems using this before. But I'm gonna try one of the other cool things that you can do on here too, which is you're supposed to be able to select some text, and then hit the Chrome to phone button, and it sends to phone. Now, what this does, if it works properly, it shouldn't be. There it goes. It just gave me a little alert on the top. Yeah, this alert that came up.
Yeah,
shows the text that I just copied.
Nice.
So, and if I tap on that, I think it puts it to clipboard, and say I want to just do a search. I'll bring up my my Google search box on here, and then just paste that info in. If I get a long press on it, there you go, paste, and then boom, all this text that I have in here came right off of the website. It's nothing I typed in. So
can you put it like a book in there, like a whole entire book?
Well, it's probably limited to whatever the buffer size is for copying and pasting. So, but it's pretty cool stuff. Again, I haven't run into any problems with this app until we actually started trying to show it live on the show today, which I think we talked about this. We knew this was going to happen.
Yeah.
But I highly recommend it. It does require Android 2.2, and there'll be more information coming up on the Android Tech Show as to why I have a G1 and I'm using Android 2.2. So definitely check that out coming up next, and subscribe to the feed if you don't.
Yeah.